开始没？
开始了，开始了。
好 ，Hello everyone, welcome to our Kingsong channel.
Hello friends, welcome to our Kingsong channel.
This is Joseph from Kingsong Market Department.
Yes, this is Vicky from Kingsong from the sales department.
And this is Kingsong N12 from Kingsong R&D.
Yes.
This is a new product we just research, we just development.
Yeah, this is the first time scooter launch meeting in our Kingsong channel. And this is the first time for our live broadcasting. It's so interesting.
Yes, yes, and especially this product is quite new from our company. We just put our all sources for develop this product. Introduce our brand to you. Kingsong, as you know, is a very famous brand. That's for the EUC.
Yes.
For the USA, currently Kingsong is the #1 brand. We know that we have 4 brands. First is Kingsong, the second is the Emotion, and thirdly is Gateway. Yes, yes, that's for our brand at Kingsong. Now we put our resources to develop this scooter. Besides on the USA, scooter actually we first developed at the 2018. We have already developed around 10 scooters before, and this is a brand new one that we fully invested on this one. We have make a lot of new design on this product.
Yes, after the very successful launch of the N11 last year, we keep working on this new scooter design, and it names N12.
Yes, the N12 as the root of the N11 is also can be used for the way on the road or off-road drive.
Yes, the N11 is off-road, and this is for the city road and off-road.
Both. Yes. Yes, and this product can be used normally in the city. We can go some terrain situation.
Yes.
Even we can go to some place with the hail under the 47% hail grade. We can use this scooter to cross this hail.
Yeah, they have 3 strong points. Which the market is seldom you can see it, but we have it. This is the unique design. Why we designed it, we totally 100% to meet German standard certificate.
Yes, for the German standard, first we have the lights, the headlights and the tail lights. For this both parts, we have the German standard EN 17128. 17128.
Yeah, 1000 watt motor.
Yeah, the motor is a 1000 watt motor, and we have the reflector here. It's also respect the EU German standard, and also with this 14 system.
Yeah, for the German standard, we have 3 points to meet it. One is for the headlight. This is the external headlight. Besides, we have 2 built-in headlights. Do you know where is it?
Yes.
Where is the built-in?
Let me see where is the building. Oh, I see. It's here.
Yeah.
It's like the eagle eyes.
Yes. It's both sides on the pedal side.
Yes, on the pedal there are 2 lights. This is the assist lights. The main headlight is here, is for the far vision, and for this one, both assist lights is for the near vision.
Yes, when you ride into the tunnel, or the channel, if in dark condition, then you no need to worry about. I need to open the lights, so you no need to find the button of it. It has the it has the light sensor.
Yes, it's totally automatic lights. When we go to the dark side or we go to some tunnel, the light of our environment is not strong enough. The light will be open automatically.
Yes. Do you want to show to the friends?
Yes, maybe.
Okay.
As we show this automatic lights to our friends, you see now the light is open. When we show some strong light to them, they are going to be closed.
Okay.
Please open the torch of the phone. Okay. We just simulate to use this as a sun, as a light. So this, you see that headlight will be closed automatically when the strong lights coming. When we go to a dark situation, we just see when we put the hand to cover the sensor, so the lights will be on automatically. Now the scooter is closed. Okay. Secondly, we say that the deck of the scooter is quite big design. It's a quite new design and a fashion design for our foreigner customers. You see that the deck is very wide. It's around 22 centimeters wide. When you can sit your both feet on this desk at the same time.
Both feet can ride in the same surface.
Yeah, can be. Both can stand side by side together.
Yes. Now, about the German standard, we also need to talk about the double folding system.
Yes, sure. This is a very good highlight for this scooter. You can see this is when we unfold this pole, you can see they can lock the first level.
Now it's stable now. It's stable.
It's very still.
Without this outer buckle, it's stable.
Yes, that's the first level of lock. And then we have a second level of lock here. That is double lockers. Yes, for your double safety.
I love this function very well.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure. For your safety, this is very important.
And about the German standard, we have prepared the reflectors.
Yeah.
Both sides on the steering, and one reflector is under the headlight. Yes. So this is the 3 points to meet the German standard.
Yes. As we know that German standard is a very good standard for the whole global industry.
Yes, Germany is the big country and it's good at the industry right now.
Yeah. They just finished their 4.0 industry innovation. So I think this standard should be one of them.
Yes. This is right, the car, the Benz standard.
Yes. Yes, they have very good experience on the vehicles and like this, like EV and the PEV. All of them, the German standard have a lot of experience. So it's good for them to give a standard for us.
About the lights, we still need to introduce the tail light. The tail light about it.
Okay. For the tail light, actually we have 3 tail lights. Before we only have 1 tail light here. Now we have 3 tail lights. 1 tail light as before, and 2 single light. Turning single light. And it's both for the turning and also for the stop. When you stop the scooter, the 3 lights will be reflected directly. Will be shined together.
Yes, automatically. And also, if the speaker speaker. Electric speaker.
Yes. Loudspeaker here. Loudspeaker is at the left side. At the bottom is the loudspeaker.
It's the electric speaker.
Yes. For the turn signal light control is here. Left side for turn left and the right for turn right. And the loudspeaker, electric loudspeaker is here. It's electric.
It's very safe when driving.
Yes, yes. We have considered a lot of the detail for guard the safety for this scooter. And for this scooter, we have also considered the road situation of the European and American. We have a double suspension system. One front suspension is here, and the back suspension is here.
Yes, one friend just left a message to me yesterday, and they want the double suspension in front of the scooter.
Yeah.
And I replied that maybe the next model we will use it with this model. This is enough for the city road.
Yeah, sure.
Double spring suspension.
Yes, yes. For most of the situation in the city, it can handle for sure. And also for some off-road road, we also can use this double suspension to take care.
Yeah.
And the size of this tire is 10 inch. 10 inch.
Yeah. Now is the honeycomb tire.
Yes. Now is a honeycomb tire, and we also have the air inflate tire.
Now it's puncture free, and we will use the welcome tire.
Yes, yes, yes. Both options is available.
Yes, because I know this scooter have the very big function.
Oh.
This is the anti-fifth function.
Oh.
Could you show to me? Anti-fifth, the big sun around when you want to pick the scooter, it lock.
Yes, yes, I have heard this before from some friends.
Yes.
They told me that they can use the app to lock this scooter.
Yeah, of course.
After they lock it.
I have the app.
Oh, okay.
Let you show me.
Let me see.
Okay.
Now, we can see that now it's unlocked. And then
Yes.
let's lock this scooter.
You could lock via the app. As you know, all the scooters, all the EUC could connect the Kingsong app. So
Now,
this is a very functional scooter.
yes, now the scooter is locked. So if someone are going to move this scooter with any authority,
Okay.
then the scooter will sound a big alarm to alert. Let's see. Let's show you the thing.
Yes.
Even the scooter are power off. The sound alarm also will on
Okay.
when you shift. Yeah.
Now it's power off.
Yeah.
Power off now.
Yeah. Even when they are power off, then someone moves the scooter.
Yes. Also have this alarm sound. It's very big sound. And if want to pick this scooter is impossible.
Yes. Besides the alarm, we also locked the motor.
Yes. The motor could not move when the fifth want to ride it and move it.
Yes. Okay, I say this is a very powerful function.
Yes, this function I think many users need this function.
Yeah, I have never seen any scooter have this function before.
Yes, I think in the market seldom models have this function.
Okay, impressive. So I think this time the Kingsong have a lot of idea realized on this product.
What's the name of this N12?
The name,
Yes.
nickname, right?
Yes.
The nickname of the scooter I heard is Cobra. Cobra.
Cobra.
Cobra.
It's
Like,
very agile.
yes.
And
It's very fast animal.
yes, as the motor is 1,000 volts. So and the motherboard, the main board was designed by the Kingston engineer team. So this power is very good, and the Kingston designed the current to 30 amp to the motor, and the motor rotate very fast when they get reaction from the motherboard. This is our strong point.
Yes, yes. The torque of this motor is 30 newton meters. It's very big, powerful. So for this scooter, we can go very fast. The max speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Yeah, it's very fast. Last time I have tried once to ride a scooter on the street.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I cannot to pull the throttle to the end because it's too powerful. If I put one my finger on it to put the end of the throttle, so they are going to, like the fly, they are going to shoot out very fast.
Oh, okay, good. So how about the climbing angle, the climbing ability?
The climbing angle is 47%.
So it means 25 degrees.
Yes, 25 degrees.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a big challenge for a normal scooter, but for this one, it's no problem.
No problem.
Okay, it's quite impressive for this scooter. As we see, that's for the waterproof.
Waterproof?
Yeah, waterproof.
Oh, it's very
I heard
very
it's
useful for this model.
I heard that the waterproof is product, this N12 is also very good. Can you show me?
Yesterday, also one friend asked me, what's the IP rating of this model? Could you introduce to us?
IP rating is IP54, right?
54.
54,
Yes.
okay.
But I think actually it's more better than this standard.
Yes. Before that, our screw is under the deck. Now the screw is here. It's just above it's at the top of the deck here.
Yes, it's above the pedal.
So the rainwater, it's not easy for them to go inside. It's better for waterproof.
Right. Yeah.
I think Kingston has considered all the situations for our scooter riders.
Scooter riders.
Yes, scooter riders they have considered all situations besides the safety, the riding experience, and also for the general standard. Yes, most of them they have already considered.
Yes, and we could introduce our customers something about the brakes, brake system.
Yes. For a brake, I heard because this scooter is very powerful, so they also need a very powerful brakes to stop the scooter in very short distance.
Yes, safe is the most important when we are riding.
Especially when the scooter is very fast.
Yeah. This have the electric brake system.
Yes.
The EABS.
EABS system. And we also have a disc brake here at the rear tire.
And the front?
Front is a drum brake.
Drum brake front.
Yes. Drum brake, disc brake, and the EABS.
And the electric EABS brake.
Yes. So this is for the most safety brake system.
Yes, we can brake in a very short time when riding.
Yeah. Last time I have ride once. That's when I run at around 75 kilometers per hour at that speed. I think when I try to brake with double hand with 3 seconds.
Turn off the NTC function.
Yeah, it's here.
from the app?
I think last time when I tried the speed at 35 kilometers per hour, and I just stopped for the range of 5 meters. Yes, total stopped totally at from 35 kilometers to the area.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, are there any friends have questions about this model? You could leave your message in our room. Okay, Joseph, I want to know the speed of this scooter.
The speed?
Yes.
The speed is the max speed, top speed is 50 kilometers per hour,
yeah.
And the range for the scooter is mileage of the scooter for single ride is 8 kilometers per hour. 8 kilometers.
8 kilometers.
Yeah.
And while the app we could set free grade speed.
Yes.
We have sport mode and driving mode.
Drive mode, sport mode, and eco mode.
Eco mode.
Yeah.
What's the speed of eco mode?
The default setting of the eco mode is around 20.
20.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, and for the standard mode, the speed is around.
Riding mode.
Riding mode.
Yeah,
it's around 40.
Yeah.
And the sports mode is around 50.
Yes.
And this is just the default setting.
We need to have the 20 kilometer speed because it's the law limited from the law.
Yeah.
And if users is very experienced, right? They of course they want the faster speed, like 50. Yeah. So this scooter could meet different users.
Yes. You can set the limit of the speed as the local laws.
Yes. And how do we change the speed?
Change speed?
Change the speed grade via the app or via the display?
With the button of the power on this accelerator. There's one power button. If you push twice,
press twice.
Yes. Press twice. Then the drive model will be changed among standard, sports, and eco.
P1 means the eco.
Yeah, P1 means eco.
And P2 and P3.
Yeah, P3 means sports.
Yes. It's very good. And I discovered this display is very big and the information, full information.
Yes, this display, this dashboard is quite big. This is the biggest dashboard I have seen ever before on
this
this
is the biggest dashboard.
I saw a lot of information on it.
Yes.
Yeah. Besides the speed, the mileage, we also can see the drive mode, the light status, and the signal for the warning, and also for the temperature of the battery. Wow,
so much information.
Yes, it's a lot of information that we can help to assist the drive.
Yes. Let's try again to show customers how to show the information in this, because when you press one time it's different and 2 times is different.
Yes.
2 times of difference.
Yes. When you press one time, it's after you turn on the scooter. It's for one time is for the open the headlights or
open the headlights
or close the headlights. Yes, it's the one time press on it. If you press twice, it's for change for the drive model. And if you change the 3 times, they can switch the man data for this dashboard.
The voltage.
First one is the voltage. Second is the amplifier.
Okay. The amp. Amps.
And the third one is for the speed. That's all. Total, a lot of functions on this.
So this is lots of the function. Just one button, but lots of function. And one display is very big, and and this is very interesting.
Okay. We have a very big screen and a lot of information as can be shown on the screen.
Yes, this scooter I discovered is there are many Kingston logo on it. Yes, this is Kingston logo, and here on the pedal Kingston logo,
Yes.
and on the tail light another Kingston logo.
Yes.
Yes.
All of them can be customized, right? Customized, right?
Yes, but we of course we accept OEM
Okay.
customized.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Also this is also they can Germany country could use for the
License.
the license.
License plate.
Yes.
Okay.
License plate. Just attach it. Attach it. Okay. I find the supporter. The supporter is very stable when we ride this scooter.
Yes.
This supporter.
Yes. The mud shell.
We have reinforced this structure.
Yes, we have support.
Yes.
Yeah, before this one, so it's very stable.
This very stable.
Okay.
And could you tell me about something about the frame? The frame of the scooter. What's the materials of the body?
This material,
Mm-hmm.
I think this should be the aluminum.
Yes, aluminum alloy. Ah.
Aluminum alloy.
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
And why we use this material? Because of the
It's more strong.
yes, yes, strong, and it's light and very
It's light.
yes, it's light.
Light and strong.
Yeah, light and also it's strong.
Okay.
And the mass load,
Mm.
we could meet the mass load of the 120 kilogram riders.
Yes, yes. The load is 120 kilogram for each person.
So about the battery, we have the battery management system.
BMS, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
protect.
Okay. BMS is very powerful system, right?
Yes.
For protect the battery cells.
Yes, just such as the over voltage,
Our wattage
or over discharge, or overcharge.
or the shortcut of the circuit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's very safe when you charging, and no need to worry about the fire.
Okay, that's the reason why we have a temperature show, because the BMS can detect the temperature of the
Yeah,
battery cell, right?
exactly. Yeah.
So it will be protect the battery just in case maybe it burns.
Right.
No, it's good because the battery is very expensive.
Yes.
So we must protect it as much as we can.
We know the scooter is similar models are very well in the market, and I want to know why customers need to choose our scooter, and because our app have many functions. Right,
Yes.
the scooter turn off automatically now.
Yes. There's a lot of automatic design on this scooter, like the lights and like the power button can be turned on and turned off automatically.
Other scooters in other company maybe have not this function. Because we are good at EUC, electric unicycle. So we know if the wheel is not right, we need to protect it to save the energy. So the wheel could be turned off automatically.
Yes.
Or you could you could set the time of the get off.
Yes. our apps have a lot of function to setting.
Yes.
Then we can set the speed control for the max speed of each drive mode.
You could still ask how the LED function.
Yes, sure.
Wow, have many beautiful LED.
Yes. Let's turn on the scooter so we can set the atmosphere LED lights by the side of the deck. So we have a lot of modes to choose and apps to setting for this one. First one is for like the turn on and turn off. To switch on and off slowly, and also they can change to other mode to show the LED lights.
You will see this is the lock buckle. The buckle is very easy. One step for folding. One step.
We can put down the scooter to show the LED.
Okay.
And just when you put down like this, the LED will be show more clear. You can see here.
Yes.
This is model 1.
It's the green color now.
This is the brace model, like hair in and hair out of the nose.
Brace model.
Yes. And this is another model to like the
Second model.
water flow slowly from the
Second style.
yeah. And the third model, you can see the flow is very fast than before. Quite fast.
Yeah, very fast.
Mm-hmm.
It's the fourth style.
This should be super for when you drive fast.
Wow, super beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, this is a full model. We have to say all this, but most one like is the brace model. This is the one I like most when you drive slowly. Kickstanding here.
The kickstand also we open the tour mode by ourselves.
Yes.
So it's unique.
Yes. We have, as we see, we have a lot of products developed by ourselves, no matter the hardware or the software.
So we have sold many strong points of these scooters. If you have the questions, you could leave your message, and then we will reply you.
Yeah. Now I want to show you the suspension. When I stand on this.
Okay. Stand.
Let me show you.
This. Okay. Thank you.
Here.
Wow, very soft.
Yeah.
This suspension is suitable for the USA and European riders.
Yes.
The spring was designed by the European and USA markets.
When you cross some terrain, this will feel very soft when you cross with the stable suspension system.
This model we have two specifications right now.
Two?
Yeah, two specifications, N12 and N12 Pro.
Oh.
Yeah.
Standard model and the Pro model.
Yes.
Okay. What's the difference?
Difference, I think, is about the motor and the mileage, the battery information.
Okay.
Yes, and the motor and
so that looks like the same.
looks like of course the same.
Okay.
Because we consider to the price and the cost affordable or not for the users.
Yeah. I know that some people like to drive very fast, and someone maybe not.
Yes, maybe the standard for lady and the pro for
the man.
for the man. Okay.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
For both of them, they can have their both model for choose.
Yeah. And the standard, the motor is 500 watts.
That's not so powerful, I think.
Yeah, it's enough. 500 for the city road.
I see it's for the commuter scooter. Normally it's 350 watts for normal commuting. So normal. As like the 9 volts.
9 watts.
Normal is
9 volts normal, not so powerful.
Not so powerful.
Yeah.
So for even our standard model is even
maybe the model about 350 watts is not so powerful as this one.
Yeah, I heard that someone told me before with the 350 model, it's very hard to cross any hill.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Someone you cross the hill with this motor 350, you need to go off the scooter. Off the scooter, then pull
the pull when you go slow.
Push the scooter by yourself.
Yes.
So it's very. So I see this scooter actually is very useful.
Even the standard one is about 45 kilometers per charge. If you charge one time, you could commuting for 45 kilometers.
That's enough for normally.
Yes, maybe you could charge about 3 days. 3 days per time.
Okay. One charge you can use 3 days. Oh, that's enough for most situations.
Yes. Well, I also want to know the commuting distance from home and work. So many users about 5 kilometers is.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, normal situation.
Yeah, so this is the city road.
And we know that for the most European country, the duty day of each week is only 4 days.
4 days.
Not 5 days.
Okay.
So it's much more enough.
Yeah, of course you could choose the Pro version. It's much bigger motor, and the riding performance is very well.
So for the normal commuting situation, you can charge one time and you can use 1 week.
Maybe 1 week.
Yeah, maybe 1 week. 1 week, 4 days.
Yeah. Okay.
But in China, we can't make that.
So about the Pro version is 1,000 motor, and the mileage is 80. 80 in the speed of 25 kilometers.
Well, if the mileage is 80, I can go from this city to another city.
Yeah. Different riders with different mileage, I think. So if the heavy riders, maybe the distance is a little shorter.
Yes. So this scooter is not only for commuter, and also for fun at the weekend, and also can be for trips from one city to another city.
Yes, for fun. And many friends will ride around the city at night.
Okay.
Just for fun.
Yes, they have the atmosphere LED, so at night it's very beautiful.
Very interesting at night, is the group ride is very beautiful.
Yes, the RGB nights.
Yeah, you could ride with the EUC riders and also other scooter riders.
Yes.
Now this is automatically turn off the scooter.
Yeah. So it's very cool with this LED, the RGB LED atmosphere light.
Yeah, now you turn on.
I think with the max load of the stick,
Max load
maybe
is
it can carry 2 people.
2 people.
1 adult and 1 child. How do you
If
think?
like me, it's okay. 120 kilograms.
Oh, okay. For 1 adult and 1 child, I think it's
Yeah.
okay. If the adult is not very fast.
This white pedal, I like it very much.
Yeah.
Because normally model only here.
Normally the deck for normal is 16 centimeters wide.
16, yeah.
But this one is 22. 22 is
centimeter.
much wider than the.
Yeah. Wider than the normal models.
Yeah, we know that for compare with our Chinese, the European and American, the food
Is wide.
is 44-inch long. So as us, maybe 16.7, 16.9.
Yes. So very comfortable riding on it.
You can put your full face on the stick freely.
Yes. And it's another one very important point. Maybe customers want to attention. If you want to sell our scooter, you of course want to have the very easy after sell assemble, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this scooter designed by the very simple assemble construction.
Yes.
Yeah, very easy to assemble and easy to
Only
disassemble.
for the big parts, big components, only few components in the box. After we finish the boxing. I heard that only handbar for this part will be taken off after the packing. Before the pack. After package, we only need to put this 4 screw in, and the handbar will be locked on the pole.
Yeah. Also, we protect it well when we do the packing.
Yeah.
And if you are the distributors or the dealers, you also can disassemble this scooter very easily and just unscrew it. And then you could find the battery and the motherboard and connect it well.
Yeah, after you receive the product, after you unbox it, only you need to do is to screw fuel points, this 4 and this 4.
Very easy.
Yeah.
Of course, this is very stable construction, so the after-sale cases may be less than the others.
Sure. With this unique design, it's very simple component design.
Yes.
The maintenance of this is very easy.
Yeah, maintenance is very easy. Also with the reflectors and people around you, and also very safe.
Yes.
Yeah. And others could ride you riding on your way.
Yeah, we can see the lights and the reflectors all around the scooter.
Yeah.
Here, even here.
Especially at night.
Yeah. It's around the scooter everywhere.
Yes.
All the direction you can see the lights or the reflector.
So if you have any questions about our N12 model, leave your message, it's okay. Or send inquiry to our email.
Yeah, or check our website.
Yes.
We have the website, official website, we have the YouTube channel, we have Facebook channel. We also have an Instagram channel. All of them you can contact us.
Yes. And let's talk about why you need to cooperate with Kingston brand.
Yes, that's very important.
Yes, and I think Kingston is a very reliable brand because I also personally I work here for about 5 years, and I have met many distributors and dealers, and they have very good feedback to our brand products.
Yeah, this brand is, have a lot of history.
Yes.
It's already have found over 10 years.
About 10 years.
About 10 years?
Yeah, 10
oh,
years.
Okay.
Yes. With the history of the very good electronic motherboard, and we began to buy the machine to produce and design the motherboard. Yeah, we strong and the motherboard design and produce.
Yeah. So that we are very good at the motherboard and also at the vehicle like the UC and the scooter.
Yes.
We are good at the software and the hardware.
Oh yeah. Software also our team engineer to control it.
Yeah, I have seen that our app is very good design on the cell phone.
Other scooters use the popular app or IoT system company to service for the scooter, but our company use our engineer team to control the app.
Yes, I think that currently our R&D have a lot of engineers, right? How many are they?
I think now all the team is more than 30 people.
Oh, that's
30 people.
That's a big R&D.
Yeah, it's very big and increase the members very fast.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And the battery we also make the BMS board.
Yeah, I heard that we have a subsidiary company for the battery, right? For the battery package, we have a sub company, right?
Yes. Yes, very good partner.
Good partner.
Yes.
Okay. So that's we have a lot of advantage for the scooter, right?
Yeah.
With the motherboard, we made by ourselves. With the
motherboard and motor. Yes. And
with
the very good partner of the battery.
Yes. Now the battery is a very important sources, right? The battery is in shortage currently in this period in China.
Yes, but we solved the battery problem very well.
Yes. We know that in China there are a lot of EV, electric vehicle. They use the battery cell a lot.
Yeah.
They consume a lot, so there are a lot of battery go to them and left us not too many. So it's a very strategy.
Very shortage.
Yeah. Strategy.
Yes.
Sources for us.
Yes. But we tried our best to solve this problem and make the very fast delivery for the customers.
Yes.
About the freight of this is very stable now.
Yeah.
And the freight.
I see that this one is very good.
This is very strong.
Very strong, yeah.
Yeah. And maybe other model is also thin, but this is fat.
Yeah.
This is very strong.
That's a very thin. I'd like to write again someday.
Yes.
Maybe tomorrow I can go further with this scooter. Last time I tried more than...
City line.
Yeah, from here to Fujian district.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's more than...
So what's the performance when you ride it?
Oh, it's go very fast and it's brake very short.
Oh,
So
the brake is very short.
Yeah, so I can pass by a lot of people very soon. Sometimes I even can pass by some cars.
Wow, so many people think it's so cool.
Yeah. When you see some traffic jam, you can pass by all the cars.
It's very interesting, and if you want to have one, just contact with our local dealer or contact with us directly. It's okay. We will guide you how to choose the local dealer or distributors in your market.
Yes. In China, the traffic jam is very serious, so I like this product in China.
In China, but and in overseas markets, they also need us to deliver fast.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
When you go to work, you don't want to be delayed, right?
Right.
Yeah. Sometimes just 1 minute delay will be problem for you.
It's very good. If you have one station.
Yeah.
To the station, and then you take the subway.
Yes. With this to transfer at the subway,
Yeah.
it's very convenient.
Yes.
But in China, we use this is enough because the mileage is big enough for me.
In some countries, the law is legal, so it's very well. But in China now, it's not legal, illegal.
In China,
sometimes the police will stop.
It depends. When you have your helmet on, with your protection on, So
very well.
Sometimes with this, no problem on the work road, not on the main road. If on the main road, that's a problem.
Yes, we need to write the habits. The habits and the markup for ourselves when we riding.
That's very necessary.
Yes. So when we design this scooter, we use the German standard because it's the most safest standard all over the world.
Yes. Germany is a very big company.
Yeah, so
very important company.
The standard is very strict. So we wish all the riders of the Kingsong scooter riders also ride very safe every day.
Yeah, German standard also means quality in China.
Yes, this is the most good quality.
Sure. I can say, as I have tried once to ride a long distance that way, I have never seen any problem on the scooter.
Yeah, the tail light, the turning light can remind the people around you, and when you're riding, they could know you are riding turn right and turn right.
Yes. So you are always communicate with the other drivers nearby you, so it makes you safety.
So safety is very important, and we need to obey it.
Yes. But most importantly, I like fuel function of this scooter. One is the anti-safe alarm. One is the powerful motor for the speed.
Yeah. The anti-thief function, I like it much.
Yeah.
Because if someone wants to touch it, they could not take off.
Have you get your bicycle stolen before?
Yes, but I think it's very long time. And now many friends tell me, they lost their EUC.
UC?
Yeah, the unicycle. Someone will bring. So this anti-thief function is most important.
Yeah. It's very important function.
Okay, that's almost all of our show today.
Okay.
It's 6 o'clock now.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our show.
Please check any updates on our website.
Yes. And if you receive your message, we will reply you as soon as possible.
Yes. We are always on the forum of our YouTube channel and our Facebook channel.
Yeah, Facebook and Instagram.
And
Instagram and YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We will continue to make the live broadcasting from now on.
Yes. Every month we are going to launch a new product to you.
Thank you very much for watching.
And
that's all.
Yeah, hope to see you soon. We are going to show you to the right live stream next time.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
Nó
挺好的。